getting a lot of questions about what is that blue flower in our backyard farmer garden. We're going to talk about it today. This is actually Larkspur, which is an annual plant. It is one that I absolutely love. A lot of people don't, because it does what a lot of annuals do, which is it will reseed itself. The larkspur that you see actually started out all being blue, and it still is. We've been managing it by cutting off the seed heads, because if you don't want it everywhere, you're going to have to cut off the seed heads. However, that one came from my house, and mine started blue. And over the years, the fun part is I've got some pure white, I've got some very pale pink, I've got some where we have a little bit of blue along the edges, a little more blue along the edges, still all ferny, still growing tall. These have been cut back, so they are a little bit shorter. And what this will do is it will actually also reflower from the leaf axils if you deadhead or cut it back to begin with. It's not going to last all summer. This is one that once it truly does set its seed, it will actually slowly diminish. You can cut it all the way back. You leave it standing in the garden, you're going to have kind of a mess on your hands. If you cut it all the way back where you've got a big clump of it, you're going to have a big hole in the landscape. This is related to Delphinium, which I'm going to talk about here in a second. It is in the exact same genus. We have a native larkspur that is perennial. We have Delphinium, some of which are highly toxic, but you see what is called a spur on these, and you'll see that on Delphinium as well. Let's take a look at the differences between Larkspur and Delphinium. This is one that is actually one of the dwarf newer series. Delphiniums are perennial. They're also not really easy to grow. They're heavy feeders. They do like full sun. The advantage of the dwarf series is they do not get 6 to 8 feet tall. Not statuesque, but they also don't need to be staked in the wind. These are actually called B or hybrid B Delphiniums, because you can still see that spur in the flower, but you also see almost double and some really interesting centers on the flowers. These will reflower from the leaf axil if you cut them off very lightly. Again, if you want to grow the beautiful blue and you want to make sure you have it in your garden, you might want to tuck Delphiniums into the corners. You might want to let Larkspur seed itself all over the place. Cut those seed heads off if you don't want it everywhere.